It's a well-known fact that the changing demands in the marine industry can severely restrict flexibility in the design of new builds and retrofits. Whether it's a ferry, tanker, or even a cruise liner, they are all expected to carry more, travel faster, and perform more efficiently. Unfortunately, increased performance comes at a cost, and with stringent safety requirements to hand, the designer has to constantly consider weight and space in order to meet the vessel's anticipated performance. With these points in mind, LORO-X would like to introduce you to a unique range of push-fit pipework that has undoubtedly revolutionized its field in industry. The LORO product is well recognized in Europe and has been widely used in many industrial, commercial and domestic applications since 1954. In 1977, the company made a breakthrough into the marine market and launched a line of their product specifically designed for marine and offshore applications. We'll concentrate on these lines for the purpose of this video. In 1963, the company developed and launched the LORO-X slip-in pipe socket, which completely revolutionized the push-fit pipework system. The LORO-X socket is a two-stage socket which is preformed on the end of each section of pipe and ancillary fitting. A tight connection is ensured by inserting a unique sealing element into the receiving socket. The LORO-X sealing element is a lip ring seal designed specifically to offer tightness and stability under varying temperatures and pressure stresses. Plain-ended pipe sections are pushed firmly home through the first receiving socket and into a second socket, which ensures that the pipe is correctly aligned. The principles of this innovative design provided a blueprint for the later development of the LORO-X socket. The LORO-X socket has been specially produced to suit small bore pipework serving marine vacuum toilet systems currently installed on board large luxury cruise liners, such as P&O's latest build, Oriana, Chandra's vessels Horizon and Zenith, and Carnival Cruises Fascination and Sensation. The socket is single stage and is sealed by inserting a larger purpose-made sealing element which ensures an airtight seal capable of maintaining operational vacuum of between minus 0.04 to minus 0.06 of a bar pressure. Both LORO-X and LORO-Vac are manufactured in galvanized and stainless steel. The LORO-Vac range is also available in QNIF material to suit special requirements such as low magnetic permeability, usually associated with naval applications. Both ranges carry vibration and shock certification to 3G and currently comply with German military technical standards. With the exception of QNIF and stainless steel, both types of pipework are hot dip galvanized and internally lined with a resinous coating. This provides a secondary protection to the bore and prevents rapid buildup of calcinates that reduce and eventually restrict internal diameters. The pipework is exceedingly lightweight, however the design has proved to be resistant to impact and shock. The product will not fracture under extreme frost conditions and can be classed as incombustible in accordance with DIN Standard 1986 Part 4. No harmful gases are released during the event of a fire, and all pipe sections will remain intact due to the slip-in socket design. The pipework is therefore ideally suited for fire prevention applications. The LORO-X and LORO-Vac range is available in all standard sizes from DN40 to DN200. Pipe sections can be supplied from 1 or 2 sockets fitted and are readily available in pre-cut sections, ranging from half a metre to 6 metres in length. Ancillary fittings comprising bends, branches, reducers and penetrations are available with push-fit socket connections. The requirement for cutting is therefore minimal and welding is unnecessary. To assemble a section of pipe, simply apply a small amount of lubrication cream to both the seal and the plain end of the pipe section. Push the plain end fully home into the receiving socket and allow to dry thoroughly. The The lubrication cream ensures easy location into the sockets and will solidify and bond the pipe to the location socket after approximately 2 hours from application. The pipework is extremely lightweight and installation can be carried out by just one man. Sections are held firmly in place thanks to the socket's design, and installation can proceed as soon as the lubrication cream has been applied. This allows the sections to remain flexible for later adjustments. The pipework is quick and easy to assemble. In fact, a saving of up to 43% on installation time can be achieved when compared to conventional methods. To date, LORO maintains a skilled workforce of over 450 people at a total of 3 main production plants, which are all located in West Germany, in Bad Gandersheim, Halle and Berlin. All 3 factories are maintained to the highest order, and all manufacturing is carried out using the latest available technology. Production of pipe from DN40 to DN90 is carried out in-house in accordance with DIN standard 2394. The manufacture and forming of all ancillary components such as security clamps, penetrations, bends, sockets and branches is carried out on the work premises under close scrutiny. LORO-Werk take pride in their workmanship, and quality is of the paramount importance. All products are manufactured in accordance with DIN standards 86287, 86288 and 19530. Accreditation is maintained as a result of quality awareness throughout the workforce, and surveillance visits are carried out on a regular basis by registered assessors. LORO value their customers and therefore place much emphasis upon their customer support services. A complete range of services are available, including initial design, technical support, order processing, and dispatch. To date, LORO pipework systems have been installed on over 600 vessels and have obtained registered approvals worldwide with major registration boards such as the American Bureau of Shipping, Lloyd's Register, Det Norska Veritas, Germanischer Lloyd, Registro Italiano Navale, and the Department of Transport. The customer can therefore be assured that all LORO products have been manufactured to the highest order.